Ain't nobody's down but us.
Hey my lovelies, I am back again, and as you can tell by the title, we are going to be getting ready for a Chlöe concert. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go see Chlöe today. I'm excited. This is my first concert ever, and I'm just ready. So right now it is 12:21, and I took a half day at work because, you know, I was recording or whatever, so it normally don't take that long to get ready for something, but since I'm recording or making TikToks, I wanted to get off early so I have enough time to do what I need to do, take pictures, do a TikTok or two, and going on about my business. So, which was really hard for me because my kids, the students, was like, Miss Dupree, please don't go, but I had to go because I've been planning this for like 2 months. So I took a half day. I am on my way home, and I am actually going to stop at Chick-fil-A first to get something to eat for my mom because she wanted Chick-fil-A. I might get something too because I didn't eat breakfast, but I'm not really hungry, but I should eat sometime today, so before the concert. The concert started at 8, doors open at 7, but since we got VIP tickets, we have to be there at 5:45, or well, it's at 5:45 to 6. So I already did my lashes. Of course, I did them individual. You're gonna see that clip sometime, maybe in a few seconds. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna record this process, but you will see everything. I made press-on nails already, so I'm putting press-on nails on. You're gonna see all that. My outfit is already picked out. You're gonna see all that. I might do a little beat, you know what I'm saying? Because I haven't done my makeup in like 2 or 3 years, so we're gonna see what we can do. I know for a fact I'm putting on eyebrows. I need to do something with that. But yeah, so I don't know how this video gonna go. So for right now, I'm gonna say thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe and give this video a big old thumbs up if you like the content that you're seeing. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Now we up close and personal, and the first thing we're gonna do is clean our lashes because I do have on mascara.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl.
I'm scared.
If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Get it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got my world, share my world. Look, something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh, something that you want, you should make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. What you need, baby, can you share my world? I got what you need, so come share my world. Something that you want, take a walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby.
You're my favorite still.
When I say I won't, tell myself I don't, but I always will. Something that you need, baby, come and share my world. Share my world. Something that you want, do you know? Right here, baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more.
You guys, so I made it home. It is now 2:57. Yeah, I came home. I only got fries from Chick-fil-A. Ate those, took a nap, and I just got out the shower. So now we're going to start with makeup. I already washed my face and moisturized it. I already did my lashes. I have not done my makeup in like over 2 years, so this is just gonna be something quick because we are a little behind schedule. I was supposed to be making TikToks at 3 o'clock. My hair has grown out a lot because I've been having these braids in for a little over a month. Actually, I'm having these braids in since the spring break, which was like March 10th for us. So first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrow. All right, so I used the LA Colors eyebrow pencil.
Come hold you down, be that one to share your everything. No one's around, baby, can't tell me your secrets and tell me.
All right, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna carve them out. All right, so I kind of carved them out. I changed my mind about doing the top part, but I did carve out the tail. It look okay. So now I'm gonna top it off with some brow gel just to hold it in place. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I'm just gonna be using a skin tint, and I'm gonna be using the one by Fenty Beauty in the shade 20. But first I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. And the lady at Sephora told me this was like buildable coverage. But I'm gonna start off with this much first.
Baby, come and share my world, share my world. Look, something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby.
With your neck darker than the rest, I'm a diabetic. I'm sorry, baby. It's just gonna be a little darker. I'm trying my best to blend it.
Baby, come and share my world. I got what you need, so come share my world. Something that you want, walk with me. Walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby.
I'm gonna put a little more right here because I have like 1 or 2 dark spots. I don't know how to cover that yet.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. What I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world.
Take a beauty blender and just blend that out. Alright, now I'm going to contour. Oh, by the way, the powders I'm using is from this Morphe face palette, and that's Rich 8R as far as powders go. I'm gonna set my whole face with this Maybelline Fit Me Cup powder in 360. I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna do a glossy lid. I'm gonna do blush, highlight, lip. I'm gonna take mascara to my bottom lashes. You know what? I think I wanna do black liner on the inner lash. Do that and be right back. How we looking? I want to do a glossy lid. Nothing too much. I'm going to spray with setting spray. The Max Fix Me setting spray. Highlight, then spray again. Now I'm going to finish this off with a brown red lip combo. Using MAC Ruby Rule. I think they changed the name of this. I've been having this for such a long time. I don't even know if this still good or not. I'm gonna use it. And that's it. I am done with makeup. How we looking? Do we look cute? On to the nails. Until my will runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you Hey you guys, I made it home around midnight that night, and it was a Tuesday, so I made it around midnight, and I just want to talk to you guys while I'll take off my makeup and just tell you about this experience. So first of all, it was fun. 10 out of 10 recommend. She is very great in person. Like, I loved the whole concert. The whole concert was a move. But girl, do not get standing room ever again. It was so crowded, it was so hot, and y'all remember I only ate fries that whole time, so I was freaking starving, and it was hot, and I had on that jacket, and it was just a lot. Book you an area where you can sit down. And for the most part, the concert was great. We Ubered out there. Me and my friend went. It was just so fun, y'all. These lashes, let me tell you, irritated my soul. I was so pissed because they would not come off. Like, I'm not using that glue ever again. They would not come off. I was trying my hardest. I used baby oil. I used the eyelash remover. Like, they were not budging. Like, it didn't hurt and it didn't irritate me. It was just like, I guess I wasn't used to the lashes, so I'm like, I really wanted them off. They stayed on for 2 days, but it took me forever to get them off. But anyway, I just enjoyed the concert. This whole thing was a vibe. I enjoyed creating this video for y'all. And if y'all enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.